Welcome to the House of Cars. Hello everyone, welcome back to the House of Cars, your premier source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the realm of ultimate luxury and bespoke craftsmanship with an exclusive look at the MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023. MANSORY, known for its opulent and extravagant modifications, has taken the already prestigious Rolls-Royce to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes the MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023 a true symbol of luxury and exclusivity. Striking exterior design. The MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023 features a bold and striking exterior that commands attention. MANSORY's signature styling cues are evident throughout, from the custom aerodynamic body kit to the exclusive carbon fiber elements. The front fascia is enhanced with a new, more aggressive grille and a redesigned bumper, while the sides feature sleek, sculpted lines that emphasize the car's elegant yet powerful stance. The rear is equally impressive, with a bespoke spoiler and a quad exhaust setup that hints at the performance hidden beneath the luxury. Bespoke and luxurious interior. Step inside the MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023, and you're greeted by a world of opulence and bespoke craftsmanship. The interior is a testament to MANSORY's dedication to luxury, featuring the finest materials such as premium leather, Alcantara, and exotic wood trims. The seats are not only sumptuously comfortable but also customizable with unique stitching patterns and color schemes to suit the most discerning tastes. The cabin is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a large infotainment display, a premium sound system, and advanced climate control features. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the handcrafted steering wheel to the personalized floor mats. This level of customization ensures that each MANSORY Rolls-Royce is a unique masterpiece tailored to its owner's preferences. Enhanced performance. MANSORY doesn't just focus on aesthetics, they also enhance the performance of the Rolls-Royce. The MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023 comes with a tuned engine that delivers increased power and torque, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. The suspension has been upgraded to provide a perfect balance of comfort and handling, making it a joy to drive on any road. The exhaust system has also been modified to produce a richer, more captivating sound, adding to the overall sensory experience. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a long journey, the MANSORY Rolls-Royce offers unparalleled performance wrapped in unmatched luxury. Exclusive customization. One of the standout features of the MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023 is the level of customization available. MANSORY offers a wide range of options, allowing owners to personalize every aspect of their vehicle. From custom paint colors and finishes to bespoke interior materials and designs, the possibilities are virtually limitless. This level of exclusivity ensures that no two MANSORY Rolls-Royce vehicles are alike, making each one a true reflection of its owner's style and taste. Final thoughts. The MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023 is the epitome of luxury, craftsmanship, and performance. With its striking design, bespoke interior, and enhanced performance, it sets a new standard for what a luxury vehicle can be. For those who demand the very best and seek a vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the MANSORY Rolls-Royce is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the MANSORY Rolls-Royce 2023. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.